We have Sandbox symbol SAND. Is that actually the name? I don't know. I'm going to guess it's Sandbox. Anyways, whatever it is, we got a correction that we were looking for. I believe it was last week. And now what do we have? We actually have a decent, a very good response off the lows. And we do have a nice little trading range right here, of which I'd be charting it like this. While we did hit the top side of the range, I would be looking for a pullback from this region. Again, pullback is not a reversal. I only get bearish on this one below about 6.25 on even a 4-hour closure would do it for me. Until then, this one actually has a decent setup right here long term. I don't necessarily, like I said, know if this one's or think that this one's ready like right now. But if I do see a closure above your current high side structure, which is about $8, preferably on a higher term time frame, then I would be looking for an extension towards, Jesus Christ, man, like $9.5, $10 after that. I mean, this is just insane. This is just an insane chart right here. Now, I should say that I do think it's a little bit less likely as we do see extremes on volatility. We do see that daily RSI. Well, we've already played out the bearish divergence from that, so there's not really a move to be made right there. What about 5 day? 5 days continuation. If I'm looking at the 5-day chart right here, I think that this one actually probably continues within the next 5 to 10 days. You know, can we pull back again to the lower level of that? Yeah, but you know, I wouldn't invalidate. I really have no reason to invalidate this as long as you're above 6.25. Maybe we can just briefly check it out over here as well. But that one does paint a rather interesting picture. I know that sounds crazy. That thing's just been on such a tear, but I don't. I mean, we had a nice correction last week. That was pretty significant as well. Yeah, daily turns back up above 810. So if if we do take out the top side of this region, of the structure, then we'll also see momentum turn up at the same time. So yeah, I guess I would be looking for a move towards $9.5 to $10. It sounds insane, but fair enough. I guess send it once again. 12 hours already turning up above 720, so that's looking good for right now. 4 hours already way the fuck up there. 5 day, never crossed down. Weekly, never crossed down. It's going to be upside postured as long as we're above $5. That is one powerful chart, man. So again, short term, I do expect that it does range a little bit more, but I have no reason to invalidate this one as a general good setup as long as above 6.25. Still, validation above $8, especially on a higher term time frame, is going to be what's required, at least in my opinion, to to be looking for the next major move. But looking pretty damn good right there, and hopefully that was helpful for Sand, sir.